Urimi wa njuki uri hatikaine ya guthondeka kaimana guku bururi-ini thina uria kurerikana ukoretwo ugiakiririo ni ugaruruku wa riera hamwe na arimi gukorwo magikiriria kuhuhira mimera yao dawa nyingi na iria iri na ururumukiruku na gutuika ugwati munene kuri njuki ici.
Spraying of when they are spraying their plants, their flowers, they are using some of the chemicals which are dangerous, and it's translated into, it goes into the honey.
Mamwe ma mathina mangi maria magwetetwo gukorwo ari muhinga munene urimi-ini uyu ni hamwe na wagi wa njira nyanduku cia kugacirithia wendia wa uki, wagi wa umenyo hari urimi hamwe na turia nime gukorwo tukiendia uki utakinyaniria ikiro.
We also have the programs, the National Rural Growth Inclusive Project that has partnered with the county government to identify those counties who have a potential in production of honey.
Na kurikana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ngirigaca na ureithia wa mahiu hari Kimutai, thirikari riu ni yambiriirie kugathika mawatho maria meguthaitira ureithia uyu ari ni hamwe na guferegenya mitaratara ya kiwatho.
Internationally, we are targeting the EU market, and therefore we have worked very closely with the EU in one of the programs, which is a SMAP, and they supported us in equipping our laboratories. And after the equipping of the laboratories, we now want to target those beekeepers so that we notify them, we inform them that we can now measure the residue levels in your honey, and therefore if it's found to be fit and meeting the standards, then they are free to seek the EU market.
Undu ungi thirikari iramurika ni hamwe na kugacirithia ikiro cia thukuru wa guthomithia ureithia wa njuki niguo wikaine ta National Beekeeping Institute na niguo kuheanaga mathomo ma ikiro cia certificate na diploma makiria kuri mbeu njithi.
Nairobi County government has given us a statistics of the demand that we need about 1 million liters of honey on a daily basis. So the potential, both local and international, is there. So we need to encourage our farmers to ensure that they participate in this value chain.
Bururi wa Kenya ukoragwo ukiruta tani 25,000 cia uki kunyihira mabataro ma muigana wa tani 38,000 iria ibataranagia guku bururi-ini, na kuria ruhonge ruru rukoragwo rukimathira bururi muigana wa ciringi bilioni 12 o hari mwaka. Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, Wojoria.